Hi, I'm Pichet Ong. I'm representing Spot Dessert Bar. Today we demoed the fried banana, and the banana have been rolled around coconut. The banana fritters with caramel sauce or condensed milk. Fried food is one of the hallmarks of Asian food because we love the texture of the crunchy on the outside. But what's really great about fried banana is that when they're ripe and after you fry them for a very short time, over high heat, you can get a very crispy shell and a custard-like center. There are many ways of doing it. And for today, I'm going to be demoing one which is personal for me because I create the recipe. Traditionally, the banana is just dipped in like a mixture of water and tapioca starch or rice flour. But I like to kick it up a couple of notches and add more flavor to it. So instead of using water, I use coconut milk. And instead of just rice flour, I also have shredded coconut flakes. And the batter is going to be thick so that it coats the banana so that after you fry it, it gets very crunchy. So here, Greg is going to be doing a mixture of coconut milk. The brand that we use is Chalco, which is very thick brand already. And it's a little bit separated. So, which is really good for this purpose because it means it's high-fat coconut milk. So here is stirring in some coconut milk with shredded coconut flakes. None of these ingredients that I buy are sweetened, they're unsweetened. So I'm also going to be adding a little bit of sugar and salt to the mixture to sweeten things up a little bit. And here's glutinous rice flour. You can find them in Asian grocery stores in the back like that. And it goes a long way. That's also the base that you can also make pancakes or a similar texture such like mochi like that. After you steam it, it gets kind of sticky. So here he's going to be dipping the banana into the batter. More coconut. Yeah, so after he rolls the banana into the wet batter, he coats it around again with dry shredded coconut. So that way there's a crispy exterior shell. And here I have oil that's I'm heating up. The ideal temperature to fry this, I think, is 325 degrees because you do want to fry it like fast, but not too fast because you don't want the coconut to burn that fast. So let's just say the banana is about an inch tall or in thickness. I have about the same amount of oil. You can see this, right? So if you find that the oil is too hot for you, what you can also do is to move the oil around because what happens is that you're getting air into the oil and so cold air into the oil so it doesn't burn so fast. During this season, you can also use a squash or pumpkin. Just fry them to their golden brown and then you drain it over a paper towel. So once I have them fried, there's a whole variety of sauces that you can do. A lot of people just like powdered sugar and nothing else. But once again, like kicking up like with a notch with flavor. I also like to put a little bit of sesame seeds on top to give it a little bit more crunch and flavor. And over here, should we do, oh, we have the plate. Some people like condensed milk, which is a very popular way to sweeten food in Asia. So you can give it a drizzle on top, like that. You can do one with caramel sauce. This particular version is sweetened with palm sugar, and there's also a little bit of pandan in there. Over here is a coconut caramel. It's a caramel sauce that's made with coconut milk. And over here, you can do one with just a little bit of powdered sugar, just to give it a little bit of sweetness. So there's a whole variety of style you could do. A lot of people also like to do it, serve fried bananas with ice cream. But like for me, like if the bananas are really good, I like it just on its own plain. So thank you very much for attending the Malaysian Food Festival, and I hope you have a really good time today.